how to fix Binance chart not show. If you're trying to see a specific chart of a specific crypto on your Binance account, but you're not able to see it, this is how you can fix it. So first of all, you have to know that Binance is working with TradingView in order to show you all of the charts. So TradingView is a separate company. So if you're not able to see the charts in the Binance website, you can directly go to the TradingView's official website to view the charts, because sometimes Binance keeps updating the charts very quickly. So if you're trying to see a specific crypto's chart, and you might not be able to see it, so in that case you can directly go to TradingView's website and view the chart. But some people do not even know how to view chart in Binance. So first of all, let's see how to do that. Once you're in the official website of Binance and you have logged into your account, so what you do is click on this market tab at the top here. And once you click on it, you can see all of the cryptos that are available in Binance, and you can view their charts from here. So for now, I'm just going to click on Bitcoin, that is at the top, and this will open up another tab where it will show you all of the charts. And similarly, if you want to see any other charts, you can click on the specific crypto and you can view the chart from right here. But for some reason, if this doesn't work, then as I said before, you can directly go to the TradingView's official website. So just open up another tab and search TradingView. Once you do this, you can see there might be a lot of sponsored messages, but you have to ignore them. And this is the official website. So just click on the TradingView that says track all markets. And once you open the website, you will have to log in from here. So if you just click right here, you can log in to the TradingView's website. But if you do not have an account, you can sign in or create a new account to view the desired charts. And that's how you can view or fix the Binance chart not showing. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.